So this is a super cool, super functional daily pill organizer. And I think this is really good because you actually have 7 compartments, so you can actually put in, if you're taking pills or medication on a daily basis or supplements, you can actually have up to a 7-day supply all separated out in individual containers. Or if you're just going to be gone for a weekend, this guy will actually slide apart, and this put together pretty well. Slide apart, and you can just have 3 days or 4 days. And I think that is absolutely fantastic because we go out and visit family members sometimes, and we're only gone for a couple of days, and I just want to make sure I have the daily medication or supplements that I take on a regular basis. So hope this helps you out in some way. It absolutely helps me out. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon.